Financial freedom is not just about making more money. It is about managing it wisely and creating a life where you are not controlled by financial stress. True financial independence means having enough savings, investments, and passive income to support your desired lifestyle without relying on a paycheck. Achieving this requires discipline, smart decision-making, and a long-term plan. In this video, you will learn 10 essential steps to take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. Stay with us until the end to discover the key habits that separate financially free individuals from those who struggle. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Now, let us dive into the steps that will put you on the path to financial freedom. 1. Set clear financial goals. Financial freedom starts with a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Without specific goals, it is easy to lose focus and waste money on things that do not bring lasting value. Define what financial independence looks like for you, whether it is retiring early, traveling the world, or simply living without debt. Break down your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term targets. Write them down and track your progress regularly to stay motivated. A clear financial plan gives you direction and keeps you committed to your journey. The more specific your goals are, the easier it will be to create a strategy to achieve them. 2. Create and stick to a budget. A budget is the foundation of financial success. It helps you understand where your money goes and ensures you are not overspending in unnecessary areas. Start by tracking your income and expenses to see where you can cut back and save more. Allocate your money wisely by prioritizing essentials, savings, and investments before spending on wants. Use the 50-30/20 rule as a guideline. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. Sticking to a budget may feel restrictive at first, but it is the key to financial control. The better you manage your spending, the faster you will reach financial freedom. 3. Eliminate debt as quickly as possible. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances and personal loans, can drain your income and keep you trapped in a cycle of payments. Focus on paying off debt aggressively using strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method prioritizes paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins, while the avalanche method tackles high-interest debts first to save more money in the long run. Avoid accumulating new debt by living within your means and using credit responsibly. The sooner you become debt-free, the more money you will have to invest in your future. 4. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress if you are not prepared. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from debt when life throws challenges your way. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account that is easily accessible. Start by setting aside a small amount each month until you reach your target. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans during tough times. Financial freedom is not just about wealth, it is also about security and stability. 5. Increase your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. To accelerate your path to financial freedom, look for ways to increase your earnings. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in income-generating assets. The more sources of income you have, the more financial security you build. Consider passive income opportunities such as real estate, dividend stocks, or digital products that generate money even while you sleep. Expanding your income streams gives you more financial flexibility and speeds up your journey to financial independence. 6. Invest wisely for long-term growth. Saving money alone will not make you financially free. You need to invest to grow your wealth. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating returns over time. Focus on long-term investment strategies such as stocks, index funds, real estate, or retirement accounts. Understand the power of compound interest, which allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. Start investing early and stay consistent, even if you can only contribute a small amount each month. Avoid chasing get-rich-quick schemes and focus on proven, reliable investments. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. 7. Live below your means. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is spending everything they earn. Living below your means is a powerful habit that accelerates wealth building. This does not mean depriving yourself, but rather making conscious spending choices that align with your financial goals. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more does not mean you should spend more. Focus on needs rather than wants, and find ways to save on everyday expenses. The less money you waste on unnecessary purchases, the more you can invest in your future. Financial freedom is not about how much you earn, it is about how much you keep. 8. Protect your wealth with insurance. Building wealth is important, but protecting it is just as crucial. Insurance safeguards you from financial disasters that could wipe out your savings. Make sure you have health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance to cover unexpected expenses. Disability insurance is also essential, especially if you rely on your income to support yourself or your family. Without proper coverage, a single accident or illness could set you back financially. Think of insurance as a safety net that protects everything you have worked so hard to build. Being financially free means being prepared for any situation. 9. Keep learning and improving financial knowledge. Financial freedom is a journey, not a one-time achievement. The more you learn about money management, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you will be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, take online courses, listen to financial podcasts, and follow experts in the field. Stay updated on economic trends and changes that could affect your finances. Educating yourself about money ensures that you do not fall for financial scams or poor investment choices. Knowledge is power, and continuous learning will keep you on the path to long-term success. 10. Stay consistent and think long-term. Achieving financial freedom does not happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and discipline. Stay committed to your financial plan, even when progress feels slow. Stick to your budget, keep saving, and continue investing, no matter what challenges arise. Avoid making impulsive financial decisions based on short-term emotions. The most successful people build wealth by thinking long-term and making smart choices over time. Every step you take today brings you closer to a future where money is no longer a source of stress. Stay focused, trust the process, and financial freedom will become your reality. Financial independence is not about luck. It is about making intentional choices that build long-term wealth and security. By following these 10 steps, you can take control of your finances and create a future of freedom and abundance. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial situation transform over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more money tips and wealth-building strategies. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take the first step today.